going to be cleaning Harlan's car seat today. You may remember from our previous video why I have to do this.
Harlan, bud, what'd you do?
An explosion, Mom. Daddy had to clean the seat out with a spigot. Got the rest stop. Now we're trying to dry it off so we don't freeze the baby the last 2 hours home.
Good job, buddy.
Welcome to North Carolina. But it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. We are going to be taking it apart. I'm going to be showing you how to do that. Then I'm going to be showing you how I cleaned it using different supplies. And then from there, I'm going to show you how to put it back together. So all in all, shouldn't be too bad. Thanks for watching. So today, I'm going to be cleaning the wonderful car seat that our son needs so much. So this is the UPPAbaby. No idea what model. Actually, it's pretty easy to clean. So we're using white vinegar, a bunch of paper towels, and an entire garden hose, because I already took a sneak peek in here and realized there's a lot of evidence from this past weekend still in this car seat. So first thing you gotta do is take your handle, push it down so we got room to work and it holds it steady. Then you're going to raise up here. You're going to pull these tabs. They just pull straight up in the back. That'll give you where you can see everything here. Once you have that exposed, there's a little tab here at the top. Pull it. That enables you to lift your seat all the way to the top. And from here, you can push this down out of the way. You're going to lift up your straps like this. Once you lift up your straps, you're going to be able to get down in here and get access to, oh, that's gross. That's gross. Well, it'll give you access so that you can come in here and pull the rest of it out. All right, so showing you guys a little bit of a sneak peek in here, just how bad this can be. Once you lift it up, you're really going to start to see everything here. So you're going to lift this first strap up here, then you're going to raise the bottom on here, then on the neck rest, all you got to do is pull each side. You'll see that that'll easily remove so you can clean. If you look here, we still have a little bit of sweet potatoes that Harlan's starting to love so much. Now you've got that piece off, we're able to start tackling the actual cover for the seat itself. So what you're going to do is you're going to come around, and they have all these little tabs. You're just simply going to lift the tabs up all the way around the stroller. Like so. What this does is it enables the entire piece to slide up and out. Then you'll make sure you watch your buckles. So they're going to come down. You'll feed seat buckle through, slide it right off. And now you can really clean this without having to worry too much. Now, so to pause for a second while I'm cleaning this, for those of you watching, I assure you, there's a very particular smell right now, and I am just glad YouTube has not gotten to the point to where I can send you a smell file, because this is horrid. All right, we'll get back to cleaning here with our vinegar and getting rid of the rest of the explosion. Luckily for you, you get to fast forward through all this. So now that everything's had time to dry out in the sun, I'm going to put it all back together. So the first thing we're going to do, grab our car seat. We're going to put big piece in first, just like we took it off. First piece that comes in is going to be these two right here. They go around this input. Reach through and make sure we have bottom buckle at the appropriate level for their age. Then we're going to come back through the top. We're simply going to push it behind the top piece. Now, you're going to make sure your shoulder straps come back through the middle so they're out of your way. Just like before, we're going to take all of our little flaps. We're going to come around the front. Now, and just flip them over. Same thing on the sides. Come around here. When we get to the back, and make sure your little tab comes out the top. All these have aligned themselves properly. When you're done, it'll look exactly the same as it did when you got it out the first time. Now we're going to take our piece, come right over the top. All it does is it simply slides over. And here you'll see there's little elastic bands. You want to pull them around the edges, makes your life a lot easier. Take your shoulder straps, pick them up so that they're going through the appropriate piece here. And now, all you have to do is take your piece, tuck it on down. From here, there's little pieces of Velcro. All you will do is connect your Velcro pieces. Voila! See, it is almost put back together. Last thing we have to do is reconnect back here. All you'll do is you'll take these pieces. See, there's a nice little groove along the edge. You'll take these little black tabs, push them through, they'll lock it in, and that will put your screen back in. all they do is they push down, and they turn, and they hold this screen in place. There are 4 of them. All you do is make sure you get all 4 of those pushed in. Then just trace your finger along the end. Make sure everything's tucked in real nice. There you go. Now your seat is completely put back together. Then, to adjust the height, anywhere you may need, in case you kind of messed it up here like I have, you just pull the tab, and now this piece will slide freely. You can put it on the correct slot that you need for your little one. And that's how you put it all back together.